Hello friends, today we will understand the differences between iteration and recursion. To understand the differences better, kindly watch my videos, first recursion in Java and Java iteration or looping. So let us understand what is recursion. Recursion is a method for solving a problem where the solution depends on solutions to smaller instances of the same problem. In software terms, when a function calls itself again and again to solve a particular problem, then that process is called a recursion. And the method that does that is called a recursive function. Now let us understand what is iteration. The other name of iteration in Java programming is looping. Iteration means repetition of a process in order to generate an outcome. This sequence will approach to some endpoint or end value. There are three iterative or looping statements in Java. They are for, while, and do while. Now let us use Java code to find out the factorial of a number using both iteration and recursion to understand the differences between iteration and recursion. See the screen, there are two classes. On the left hand side you will find class recursion and on the right column you will find class iteration. Let us understand the class recursion first. Suppose n is equal to 4. So fact will return what? 24, as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 24. Here the fact method is getting invoked again and again with the first value 4, and when n is equal to 1, the fact method returns or displays the factorial of 4. Recursion is already explained in my last video. Kindly have a look. That is recursion in Java. Next, let us see the class iteration. Suppose n is equal to 4 and f is initially 1. After this, the for loop will be executed. The loop initializes I with 1 and then it goes to the condition and checks whether I is less than equal to n or not. That is, I is less than equal to 4 or not, because n's value is 4. The answer is yes, because I had 1 and n had 4. 1 is less than 4, therefore the condition is true. So it enters into the loop body and calculates f is equal to f into I, which is 1 into 1 is equal to 1, which is getting stored in f. After performing f is equal to f into I, the control will go to I++, that is the iteration part. The loop control variable I is getting incremented by 1. So right now I is 2. After this, it again checks the condition, that is I less than equal to n or not. If yes, it enters the loop body and calculates f is equal to f into I, which is equal to 2. This process continues till n is equal to 4. When the loop terminates, that is n turns 5, f value is returned, which is 24. Variable f is actually accumulating all the numbers from 1 to n by multiplying. that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. Therefore, factorial of 4 is 24. So here are the differences between iteration and recursion. You can note down these points. Hope you have understood today's topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning. And of course, do subscribe for all my latest videos. Thank you once again.